Hello students, today we are going to solve 11th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as a road is being designed for a speed of 110 km per hour on a horizontal curve with a super elevation of 8%. If the coefficient of side friction is 0.10, the minimum radius of curve in meter required for safe vehicular movement is. Now we know that the formula will be equals to E plus F equals to V square upon 127R. That will be the formula for super elevation. Now we need to find the value of R. So the formula will be equals to V square upon 127 E plus F. Now we have the value of V equals to 110. So we will put here 110 square upon 127 in bracket 0.08 plus 0.10. After solving this, we will have the value of R equals to 528.5 meter. That will be the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much, students.